What's up, guys? So I have something to try. We have a new Sprite here. I saw this at the store, thought I have to try it. There's no dyed version that I know of. This is Sprite Tropical Mix. Sorry if I look tired. I literally just got up from like a almost nap, tired from work, and just want to lay down for a second and almost falling asleep. But I woke up, I'm thirsty. I really want to try this now, so we're gonna give it a rip. So, Sprite Tropical Mix. I can't get the top off. There we go. Smells good. This is just like a different flavor. It's not gimmicky. It's not a guess the flavor, you know. Although it does smell fruity, and all those guess the flavor ones are definitely fruity. I don't know, something specific. Maybe some pineapple. I don't know, it's hard to tell. But anyway, orange label. If you haven't seen this at the store. So, cheers. It's cold. It's hitting the spot. I'm going to hand it off to Christina, see what she thinks. You want to try it? In the background there. It's good. I don't know. I can't pinpoint a specific flavor. It's not like pina colada or anything. It's just, to me, it's like generically fruity. What do you think?
It's good. It
is very good. Because like, alright, so you have your Sprite, and it's very predominantly lemon lime. That's the whole point, right? That's what Sprite is. But I'm actually not tasting the lemon lime part of it. Are you?
No, not really. No,
it's sweet. It's fruity. But like, not like, it's like subtle, like a bunch of different fruits together, you know? It's really good. I actually really dig it. I hope they have like a zero version. I would definitely buy it in cans. But yeah, I dig it. It's weird. I wish I can tell you like, oh yeah, it's mango and it's pineapple and it's papaya. I don't taste anything like specifically. It's just really, really good. And I'm super thirsty. Damn. It's good. Alright, so yeah. Let me guys know if you saw this at the store. If you tried it. Ooh, 240 calories. It's killing me. Like I said, I really wish it was a dyed version of this, but I'm not sure if this is like a flash in the pan. I never saw this before, ever. I never actually even, like on social media, I'll see a lot of people talk about different food items, and that sometimes it'll be like, oh, you know, now I gotta go try this or try that, but I did not see anyone talking about this or anything, so I don't know if it's regional or what, but Sprite Tropical Mix, definitely a thumbs up. I'll keep my eyes peeled for a zero version, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you, of course, tried it, let me know in the comment section what you thought of it, but I think it's amazing. So is wife. Have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.